According to the report, White and his colleagues discovered a micro-nanoscale system that can predict the distribution of negative energy density, which looked exactly like what the Alcubierre needed to work. To put it another way, White and his colleagues were investigating the idea put out by Dutch physicist Hendrik Casimir about how energy is distributed among wavelengths when they unintentionally conducted a microscopic experiment. White explained that careful numerical analysis of the team's custom Casimir cavities helped them identify a real manufacturable nano-microstructure that is predicted to generate a negative vacuum energy density so that it would manifest a real nanoscale warp bubble, not an analog. Still, the real thing, meaning a warp bubble structure, will manifest. The experiment produced enough theoretical energy to achieve the warp speed concept theorized by Alcubierre. White was also aware of Alcubierre's theoretically sound proposal for a warp drive that can go faster than the speed of light without breaking acknowledged rules of physics. However, he was also aware of how the proposal had been mocked for relying on theoretical materials and enormous amounts of energy that were nearly impossible to design in any useful form. Alcubierre's original metric was revised by White and transformed into a canonical form which significantly decreased the need for unusual materials and energy in the original design. The updated concept led to the informal renaming of the original theoretical design, which is now more popularly known as the Alcubierre White Warp Drive. It also gave researchers and science fiction lovers alike at least a glimpse of optimism that a real-world warp drive may one day become a reality.